Hello and welcome. I am so glad that you are taking the time to look at this information. If you are watching this video, it means you said yes to getting more information on the brand new Synergizer that LifeVantage is launching on October 4th. It's another layer to anti-aging for our cells. It's a huge breakthrough, and I'm so excited that we're bringing this to you today. Now, some of you may be watching this from the perspective of you are a current customer and loving our products. You're going to love what I share with you. Maybe you were a product user in the past and you haven't used them for a while, and maybe you're looking to get some new information, get more information to maybe restart it. Maybe your health and you are at a different place in your life today, or maybe you've never tried our products at all. Either way, we're so happy you're here and cannot wait to get this information to you. So I'm going to quickly just remind you that LifeVantage, what we're doing is taking a layered approach to anti-aging. Our framework here is to create and activate pathways to make our cells as healthy as possible, and we're doing that through nutrigenomics, combining nutrients that will help fight against the environmental stressors and the toxins that we're dealing with on a day-to-day basis to positively affect our gene expression. And we're doing that again by a 3-layered approach. And that first layer is a product that started LifeVantage. It is a plant-based NRF2 activator. NRF2 is a pathway in the body that helps combat and fight oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is linked to hundreds of diseases, and some of those diseases are diseases in my family's history, and my multivitamin wasn't cutting it. And when I was taught about the pathway of NRF2 and the harmful effects of oxidative stress, it just made sense that I should be putting this in my body every single day, and I have been for almost 8 years. This is the only plant-based product in the entire world that is proven to reduce oxidative stress damage in the body by an average of 40% in 30 days. The only one that can say that. It's also been studied by the National Institute on Aging, and they showed in a 10-year study that it increased the median lifespan of male mice by 7%. Some of you may say, I don't want to live longer. That's not what we're talking about here. I just want you to know this is about giving you quality of life and giving you that quality while you are here. So first layer, reducing oxidative stress. The next layer is boosting mitochondria. If we don't have mitochondria working for us in our body, then we're in trouble. There are also many, many diseases that are linked to low levels of mitochondria in the cells. Mitochondria are the organelles in every single cell that we have in our body. And they are responsible, and their only job is to produce energy so that we can live and breathe every single day. They improve performance through energy production. They enhance our cellular health, letting our cells perform at a peak performance. And by boosting that mitochondria, we're also helping the organs of our body, because without mitochondria, it helps pump your heart. It helps talk to your brain. We want mitochondria boosting on all cylinders. It is the engine, just like the engine of your car, taking care of that. Mitochondria is the engine of every single cell. That is a second layer, boosting mitochondria. The third layer, and our brand new product that we're bringing to market on October 4th, and I didn't even know that this existed in the body, is NAD Synergizer. And we have something that is so huge, you guys. I'm so excited you're hearing about this. Third level, the trifecta of anti-aging. So NAD is an enzyme in our bodies, and they say that as we age, when we get to 50, our NAD levels are half of what they were when we were 20 years old. NAD is an enzyme that helps support and control something called sirtuins. Sirtuins are nicknamed our longevity genes. Longevity genes. We want those working for us, right? And if those longevity genes don't have NAD, we're dead. We're actually dead within 30 seconds without NAD. And it's half of what it was at 20 when we're at 50. We need something to give us more NAD, right? And there's a lot on the market saying that they can give us more NAD, but not to the level that LifeVantage is bringing to you. So by taking our NAD Synergizer, it's shown to double the sirtuin activity, those longevity genes in your body, in 24 hours. It also, another benefit, it helps maintain cholesterol levels in a healthy range, right? We don't always feel our cholesterol levels go up and down, but imagine being able to take something that is plant-based that can help you with those levels in a positive way, an anti-aging product to help you with that. It supports body's healthy inflammation response. How many things are linked to inflammation, right? Supports healthy vascular system. It boosts mental focus and concentration. Who doesn't want more of that? And it boosts mental and physical energy. All right, so let's get into the details of this a little bit more. Sirtuins, those longevity genes in our body, they're like the CEO of every single cell in your body. And the NAD is basically the money that pays the CEO. It pays the sirtuins, it keeps the lights on, it keeps the office clean. We need the NAD for these sirtuins to be working. And the sirtuin activity of our longevity genes, it declines as we age. So it also, what we're finding in the science at sirtuins, that activity of sirtuins can be increased by 94% just through caloric restriction. But who wants to reduce their calories, right? Caloric restriction is something we can only sustain for so long. So a lot of people then will go to intermittent fasting. You're not really taking away the calories, you're just really regulating when you eat. And when you regulate when you eat and maybe go longer in between meals, gives your body that ability to rest, to clean up what has been going in. And through boosting NAD and giving your body more sirtuin activity, you're really enhancing what your body is doing through that intermittent fasting. Who doesn't want that, right? We all know and have heard of intermittent fasting and the benefits of that. And we're enhancing that with our NAD synergizer. So I talked about the fact that there were others on the market. The others on the market, the CR you see on this screen, that's your caloric restriction. That's reducing your calories to like 800 calories a day. Again, not something sustainable. It will make people very hangry, and we don't want to be in that position. So a lot of our competitors that we're seeing with NAD, they're boosting NAD in your body, but it may not be plant-based, and it's not going to give you the boost that we're giving you. It's much lower than what we're bringing. Our NAD synergizer is going to boost your NAD activity to help your longevity genes in your body by 100%. 100%. Who doesn't want that? So these are some of the ingredients that are in NAD. You can look these up and look into them. One of them, the wasabi, it's shown to be potent activators of many different types of genetic and metabolic processes. We have the oleoeuphoria that helps support physiological processes, gene expression, autophagy, which is what people are looking to gain through intermittent fasting, antioxidant activity. We're actually finding that NAD, this new synergizer, increases the NRF2 pathway from our flagship product Protandim. It's amazing. We didn't think it could get any better, and now it's getting better. So it also has theocrine in it. That supports the mental and physical performance without the irritability or the side effects of caffeine that some people get. And then we've got niacin. We've all heard of niacin, and niacin is an important precursor for NAD synthesis and for those processes in our body. So again, NAD, we're bringing a synergizer, that third layer to anti-aging, the trifecta of anti-aging that I'm so excited about. I have been personally taking this product for 4 days now. And what I can tell you is I do feel more clarity. I feel like the words are flowing out of my mouth better than they were before. I am my father's daughter, and sometimes I find it hard to find the words that I want to say. I do have a lot of mental clarity. I just feel crisp. I feel like my brain is awake. And that's what other people are reporting. They're reporting things like mental focus and concentration, better mood. Imagine if we could give the world NAD and everybody had better mood, right? Mental and physical energy, supports the body's healthy inflammation response, again, maintains cholesterol levels and a healthy vascular system. So many benefits. You guys, there was even an article I read in Time Magazine, and they said that NAD and sirtuin activity may be the closest thing we have to the fountain of youth. They reported that a gentleman that was 78 years old, that he was at a point where his family was calling him Eeyore. He didn't want to do anything. And he started getting NAD in his system, boosting it. And he started hiking 6 days a week and then traveling the world. So we're launching this on October 4th. The introductory price is $49.99. $49.99, okay? And we also then have some packs that we want to share with you. But really quick again, we're talking about the Protandim Tri-Synergizer. So we have the Nerve2 Synergizer to reduce oxidative stress, that oxidative stress theory of aging, the first layer. The Nerve1 Synergizer for mitochondria, created to activate the Nerve1 pathway. And then the NAD Synergizer for that sirtuin activity, the longevity genes, the CEO of your cell, giving it more money to make it work the way it's supposed to. So excited about this. I hope you are too. This is amazing. So this trifecta of anti-aging, this Protandim Tri-Synergizer, we're going to have it as a bundled package for $125.99. But here's what we're looking for, you guys. And then we're also going to have the whole package. Some of you may know about all of LifeVantage's products that we have. So we've got the Trifecta Synergizer, our fish oil and omega, which you can source back to the boat, the probiotic for gut health. It has Wellmune support in it for immune system. And then our prebiotic, which is the sunshine and rain and fertilizer for those seeds that are planted by the probiotic, to making your gut as healthy as possible to grasp all the nutrients that you feed it. So, so huge. So that is what we're bringing to market for you. And I am so excited that you're here to hear about this, you guys, because with NAD launching in October 4th, here's what we're looking for. We're looking for at least 20 people that are ready to say yes to this and add it either to their subscription they already have, or try this product for the first time and give it that 60 to 90 day trial, just like you would a gym membership. And after that 60 to 90 days, we just want you, these 20 people, to report back to us on what you're feeling and what it's done for you. And we're going to have a special gift for you at the end of that 60 to 90 days. So the person that shared this with you, get back to them and let them know if you would like to be a part of that group. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for plugging into this information. We appreciate you so much. I hope you have an awesome day, and here's to amazing health. Bye-bye.